Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: installation, admin rights, and BIOS compatibility. Open Gigabyte Control Center as administrator so modules load correctly. This prevents permission errors later. Once launched, scan the left menu for device info and drivers. Make sure telemetry and firmware checks finish before changing profiles. You do this because the app reads hardware state at launch. If you skip updates, settings may not apply or may revert. Now that baseline checks are complete, proceed to the performance and lighting sections. You move into configuring performance and RGB. In performance, pick a profile, then tweak CPU and GPU power targets. Raise limits only in small increments so you can test stability. Once done, set fan curves, use a gradual slope to avoid noise spikes, and enable auto-tune if you want one-click optimization. Transition to RGB fusion and assign effects per zone. Synchronize only devices with compatible firmware. Save both settings to a named profile so you can switch quickly for games or content creation. You finish by saving profiles and validating changes under load. Run a benchmark or game for 10 to 15 minutes while watching temperatures, clock behavior, and fan response. Make small adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, export profiles to a backup slot or BIOS when supported so settings survive reinstalls. If something goes wrong, like missing controls or unstable clocks, reset the control center to defaults, reinstall chipset drivers, and then flash the latest firmware. This sequence resolves most conflicts and restores predictable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.